Hey Brandscalers, trying to pick between Canva and Photoshop for your designs? Let's break them down to help you choose the best tool for your business. First up, Canva. It's a web-based design tool that's super easy to use. You don't need design skills to create awesome graphics like social media posts, flyers, or presentations. Canva's drag and drop interface and thousands of templates make it quick to whip up professional-looking designs. It's got a free version with tons of features, and the Pro plan at about $13 a month gives you extra templates, stock photos, and team collaboration tools. Perfect for small businesses or beginners who want fast results without a big learning curve. Now Photoshop. It's the industry leader for professional design, part of Adobe's Creative Cloud. Photoshop is a desktop app with powerful tools for editing photos, creating detailed graphics, and even digital art. It's great for things like retouching images or designing complex logos, but it's trickier to learn and costs about $10 to $35 a month, depending on your plan. It's built for pros who need total control over their designs. So how do they stack up? Canva is best for quick, simple designs. Think social media posts or marketing materials. It's budget-friendly and beginner-focused, with templates that save time. Photoshop shines for advanced editing, like detailed photo retouching or custom artwork, but it takes time to master. For small businesses or startups, Canva's ease and affordability often win. If you're a pro designer or need high-end edits, Photoshop is your go-to. Bottom line, if you're a brand scaler looking for fast, good-looking designs on a budget, start with a Canva. If you're ready to dive into pro-level design, invest in Photoshop. Try their free trials to see what fits your vibe. Got questions? Drop them below. Thanks for watching, and like and subscribe for more videos.